Never thought that I would be in the place of rebuilding my life at freaking 33. Because if you would have asked me that a couple months ago, I probably would have laughed at you. Being at a very toxic job environment, being a supervisor, and people just doing what the hell they want to do. Management calling your phone 24/7 with their problems. My mom having pancreatic cancer, being a caregiver, and the point of depending on my job so much, I wasn't really pouring into, like, I have my online business, but my job is my biggest distraction, and it kind of pulled away from that. So basically just kind of poured my eggs in all in one basket, got distracted, all my energy had like my job pulled all of my energy away, so it just really distracted me from my dreams. And now I'm in a place where my job have put me in a position where I can possibly lose my house in the next 30 days. I just really want to go after my dreams 100%. This experience that I'm experiencing right now really just really showing me that, yes, you have to build your legacy for yourself. You got to build for yourself, because if you start building for somebody, and let me tell you something, nothing's wrong with a 9-to-5, but when it becomes a distraction, that's when the problem, this self-doubt and fear and walking into like imposter syndrome. Learning in my season, you just have to give it everything you got, like how you give that job everything you got, how you give that relationship, that man, that woman, everything you got. You just have to literally give your dreams your blood, sweat, and tears. I'm willing to put in the work 100% every day to impact my dream, because y'all, these jobs do not care about you. You to come in there, they want you to come into the environment, be a robot for them, okay? They don't care what you got going on. They suck every piece of energy that you have. And y'all, my job's so toxic. It'll be times, y'all, that I've went into my job at 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning and then walk out of that motherfucker until 8 or 9 o'clock at night. They enjoy what they do. They love to hear themselves talk. Oh, let's have a short meeting at 8 o'clock at night. I work very hard. That could be the 9-to-5. That could be, my business or what I do, right? But sometimes, y'all, the workplace just don't appreciate it. If you are in a place of building your business and working your 9-to-5, or if you just have a 9-to-5 and you have that business idea, like, let me tell you something. Don't be in a place where you like, oh, I got time. I could build that later. I got time. Let me tell y'all, this is your sign and this is your warning. You don't have time, because like what I'm going through right now, that can happen to you. Like, y'all, I didn't think my life was going to be like this a couple months ago. I didn't think that this was going to be something that just show up in my life, out of the blue. And if you want to hear the whole story of kind of what I got going on, then you can just tap this video right here. When you get finished with this video, go to this video and then go into more depth of today. Let me tell y'all where I'm at today, what my mindset is today. I am all gas, no brakes with doing what society say that's right. Why not give it all gas, no brakes with my dreams and the visions that God have instilled in me? Why not? I'm in the workplace. And this is for you guys as well. If you do say, well, I do want to build my business and, build my business. If you is in a place where you want to build your business and still work, what I'm learning today, never take like an intense role. Take a job that's not like super intense. Now, I'm going to be honest. I didn't think my role was going to be this intense to where it's at now. which I knew it would have a little intense because I'm a supervisor, but I didn't know it was going to be to this point where I feel like I don't have any support at my job. Like, it's one thing if you have to deal with the workers and stuff like that, but when you have to deal with the workers plus your people that's in leadership do not support you and don't bag you up, and it's like you tell the crew, hey, do one thing, and somebody come back and say something else, that makes your job harder. I don't want nothing distracting my peace. I was listening to a sermon from Tiffany Montgomery, and she was talking about how if you are in a situation where something is pushing your peace, that's a sign for you to leave. She did so and when I heard that sermon, it really resonated with me, because if something is taking away your peace, that's not the confirmation that you need. You're on a job where it's literally taking away your peace and it's taking away your happiness, and you thinking about work 24/7 because you're getting text messages, you're getting calls at 10 o'clock at night from your boss. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want nothing to take away my peace. Even if, I do get back into, find something else, it has to be something that can be in an alignment with me and what I have going on, my personal life. Like, my personal life, me documenting my life, my vision, this is my job. Like, God is my supplier. God, like, what he called me to do, this is my NRBL. So if I do attach a 9-to-5 to that, it need to correlate to what I got going on, because being at a place that's so sucking everything you got, I'm here to tell you, if you feel like your life is falling apart or you in a season with hardship, I'm gonna tell you from personal experience. This is what I'm telling y'all, everything that I'm going through right now. Don't wait until life force you to do it. Because right now, I don't have a choice. Because if I continue going down this lane, what society told me that work, okay, like, it's just gonna get deeper and deeper. So don't wait until life forces you to actually take action. The other day, had to give up something that did not. Pay attention to what doesn't serve you anymore. If it don't serve you anymore, let this shit go. And I'm learning that in my journey today, that if it doesn't add to me, like, it has to cut out. That could be a job, that could be relationships, it could be whatever. Okay, whatever outfit I have, like, if it don't align to me, because how can I continue my life and I have something that's draining, pulling on my energy? How can I, how can I pour out to others, or how can I go and live the life that I desire, all of my energy, like, it's draining me? God is going to position you where where things that's for you will come to you. But if it don't work, let it go and just do it. Like, at this point, like, start afraid, because again, like I said, what if you doing what society tell you to do and it's just putting you in a deeper hole? But what if you actually do what you desire and it hit that one time and it take you exactly where you want to start the business? Like, it may not work the first time or the second time, but what if that third or fourth time is it? And what if it just take one thing, okay, or one video? I'm just going to use as content. What if it took one video, and that one video literally changed the game for you? Or I know I can make money online, and I know I can, you know what I'm saying? Like, I could do what I do online. I will do my 9-to-5, but then, like, tap into my business when I get ready. You see what I'm saying? Instead of giving that blood, sweat, and tears. I'm learning all this, y'all. I'm taking y'all on a journey with me. So yeah, y'all, follow my journey, my rebuilding. series journey. And if you love content, you know, where you want to, you know, become a better version of yourself, make money online, and all those things, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also too, if you would like to support me in any way, all the resources is down below if you want to support me in my journey as well. Okay, I will see you guys on the next video.